scroll down the Instagram stories, we see this kind of transition effect. So can we create a similar transition effect in PowerPoint? So let's begin. Welcome to PPT channels. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create the Instagram stories transition effect using PowerPoint presentations. So first way in which we are going to give the same transition effect to the whole slide. And in the second way, we are going to add images to the slide and then we are going to give it that effect. Okay, so let's see here. So first of all, we have 4 slides. Okay, so we will go to the transition effect. In the transition effect, we will go to rotate option. Okay, and in the rotate option, we have so many options. We can select from right, from bottom, from left or top. I'll go for from right and let's see its effect. Perfect. So it is the same effect as we see in the Instagram. Okay, so now let's add images inside the slide and give the same kind of effect. Okay, so for that we need a blank slide. We will give a solid fill. Okay, let's give a black color only. And here we are going to insert the text. So I'm going to insert a text box and its font color is going to be white so that it is clearly visible. And I'm going to write PPT Janix. All right, and let's change the font style and the font size as well. So let's give some. Okay, and let's increase the size of the text. Great. Perfect. Now, in the next step, we are going to open the 3D Paint. So in the 3D Paint, we are going to add a 3D shape that is cube. Okay, so let's insert the cube by dragging the mouse button like this. Okay, here I have inserted the cube. Now in the next option, we will go to the stickers. Okay, now here you can already see these images, but what you can do, you can just add the sticker. All right, and you can add these images. So I'll go for this image and I just have to adjust these images over the cube like this and then press the tick button. Okay, now again select the cube and rotate it to the other side. All right, now again go to the sticker option, add sticker, go to the next image, and here you can add another image like this and press tick. So repeat the step 4 times. Okay, we are not going to add the images to the bottom and to the top. All right, so let's go to the sticker, add sticker, this image, and here it goes like this. If you want, you can adjust it like this. Tick. Okay, now lastly, again turn it, go to the stickers tab, add sticker, select the 4th image and then just adjust its size like this and press OK. Perfect. Now in the next step, we are going to press the right mouse button and we can either copy it or just select this, press Ctrl C. Now go to the PowerPoint and here we'll just press Ctrl V. Cube. All right, if we rotate it, so you can see here is our cube. Okay. Now in the next step, what are we going to do? We will give the animation. We'll give the turnable animation. All right. So the duration to this animation will be 2 seconds only. Now we'll go to the animation pane. In the drop down menu, we'll go to more effect options. Here, no smooth start, no smooth end. Okay, if you want, you can go for smooth start or smooth end. Okay, amount is going to be quarter spin only. Now I'll go to the timing option. It will start on click only. Then I'm going to select the trigger option. I want to start the effect on click of the text box PPT Genix. No, I want to start on the click of the 3D model too. Okay, and I'm going to press OK button. Alright, now if I click, see here, if I click anywhere else, then it will go to the next slide. And if I click on this box, it will turn towards the right hand side, and only once it is going to turn like this. Now if I click one more time, then again it is going to start from the first phase only. So what do we have to do? We have to add more animation. So we'll go to add animation. Again we are going to add the same animation, but this time we have to drag it down to the previous animation, and in the effect options, instead of 360 degrees, just a quarter spin, and then press OK, and the duration is going to be for the 4 seconds only. Again select this, add animation, turnable, drag it down, the effect options, amount is going to be the quarter spin, no smooth start, no smooth end, press OK, and duration for 4 seconds only. And one more time we are going to repeat the same step. So select this box, add animation, turnable, drag it to the bottom. In the effect options, no smooth start, no smooth end, amount is going to be quarter spin, press OK, and duration is going to be 4 seconds. Now let's have a final preview. And if I click on this box, it turns toward the right hand side, same as it happens in Instagram stories, like this. This time it is not again starting from the first phase, and it goes on till the time we click here. It will repeat. Alright, like this. Okay, and if I click anywhere else on the screen, we will go to the next slide. That's it. Thanks for watching.